Hi, I'm James McLaughlan, I'm 21 and I'm a returning third year student from a placement scheme studying economics. I work for a company called Kingswood, who are an outdoor education company based down in Brighton, and I work there as an operational analyst. Most of the preparations were through the School of Management, so they would sign off our CVs and check with the company and stuff before they actually allowed you to go onto the placement. Obviously to finish third year and starting to look for jobs for next year, graduate schemes or anything like that.
Right, my dissertation project's on the 2008 financial crisis and more specifically the monetary policy in the UK and the US before and after the crisis, so more of a comparison and just to see where was more effective really.
Hi, we're at the Placements Award dinner where we're being rewarded for our last year in work, and so are our placement organisers. Being a student, the free food and free alcohol really, as well as seeing if I win any awards.
My name's Steve Goodwin, I'm the Operational Standards Manager for Kingswood Inspiring Learning. We've had James for 6 months and he's been fantastic. A real asset to us as a company, and his fresh ideas and new ways of thinking have really helped develop our staffing modules and our programs.
Well, I recently found out that I got onto the graduate scheme at Ford Credit, which is really, really good news because it means that I can now just concentrate on my academic studies and not have to worry about where I'm going to be next year, how I'm going to find a job, sort of normal stresses. And the other really good thing is, although I only need a 2-1, I'm still going to keep pushing for a first and stuff like that, and having the job already is going to help me achieve that aim of a first really.